All right, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, section 3. Your left hand finished here. We were over here on this D sharp. That was your last note. We're going to play the pinky on E 3 times. Then we're going to move up so that the thumb is on the E, and we're going to, coming down the hand, when we get to the C, after we play C, we're going to drop the thumb under to play the B, and then finish on the A sharp with the second finger. In the right hand, we've just finished with the thumb on the C, natural. So from here, we're just going to move down one white note, and we'll play 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. Okay, bringing that in together, it'll be together, right, and then the left hand comes all by itself.